She's not too easy. She can't afford to be a tease. She stands out from the rest. That girl has quality.